The Innovation Connector is a technology-based incubation center. So those folks who are interested in starting a small business or being entrepreneurs with some aspect of technology within their corporation would use this facility as a place for guidance, for assistance, for office space, for office work.
The Innovation Connector has charged us to come up with a sort of mentorship program, which is basically to help people, and what we're doing is coming up with a framework whereby we have different ways of connecting small business owners with either resources or other small business owners or mentors that are able to help them grow their business or just face the challenges of day-to-day running a business.
So we've gone out in the community, spoke with small business owners to see what their needs are, asking them about mentor programs or what they think mentoring is. And we'd really like to help them form these relationships to help the Delaware County business community.
I'm excited about this because we get to work with the Innovation Connector. It is a fast-paced, technology-based organization, and the students are going to be exposed to all different types of small businesses, their challenges. They will be able to get out into the community and learn so much about what it takes to be successful.
Our group has 7 students, and we're all very different, from freshman, sophomore, junior, senior, first-year grad, second-year grad. We're all very different, have different backgrounds. We're not all of the same major. So working with people of different mindsets has just been exciting for me to learn how much I can learn from a freshman. I'm a first-year grad student, but there's so much that I can learn from someone who's just straight out of high school. And it brings joy to me that we can actually enjoy each other, correct each other, encourage each other on a personal level and also professionally. It's been a class that you enjoy going to, you look forward to going to, and anything you're asked to do, you give it your best. And for me, that's just been rewarding, and that's what I believe learning should all be about.